Imagine this. You're cruising down a winding coastal road at sunset, the ocean breeze coming through the open windows, your favorite music playing softly in the background. No rushing to hotels, no airport hassles, just pure freedom, you and your loved one, exploring wherever the road takes you. That kind of adventure is closer than you think with the brand new 2025 Adria Twin Supreme 640 SLB. Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Review Pro, your go-to spot for honest automotive and lifestyle reviews. Today we've got something special, an exclusive look at this ultimate luxury camper van that's turning heads with its smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and premium features. If you've been dreaming of hitting the road in style, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The 2025 Adria Twin Supreme 640 SLB is built on the latest Fiat Ducato chassis, and right away you can see the updates that make it feel fresh and modern. At 6.36 meters long, just over 2 meters wide, and about 2.6 meters tall, it's the perfect size. Easy to drive and park, yet incredibly spacious inside with nearly 1.9 meters of headroom. The exterior has that sleek, automotive look with clean lines, premium color options like Artense Gray or Expedition Gray, and stylish graphics that give it a high-end vibe without being over the top. You'll spot things like LED daytime running lights, alloy wheels on higher specs, and double-glazed windows with integrated blinds and fly screens. There's an electric step at the sliding door for easy access, and options for a Thule awning, solar panels on the roof, and even roof bars for extra gear. The massive rear garage doors open wide for loading bikes or outdoor equipment, and with a gross weight of 3,500 kilograms, upgradable to heavier if needed, it's ready for whatever you throw at it. This van is designed for year-round use, with good insulation and options for winter packs. Powering all this is the Fiat 2.2-liter diesel engine, 140 horsepower standard with upgrades to 180 available, and paired with that smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. Driving feels effortless, quick shifts, good fuel economy, and plenty of torque for hills. The 90-liter fuel tank means long ranges between stops. Safety is covered with things like ESP, cruise control, rear camera, and optional adaptive systems. 4 belted seats including ISOFIX, so it's family-friendly too, though primarily a luxurious couple's van. Step inside through that wide sliding door and you're greeted by a bright, airy living space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a camper van. The Supreme line has exclusive finishes, modern grays, clean whites, and high-quality materials that look and feel premium. Up front, the cab is pure Fiat comfort with a digital dashboard, and the seats swivel to join the lounge area. There's a 4-person dinette with a removable table that's super versatile. Use it for meals, work, or games, and stow it away when you need more space. What really sets this apart is the lighting and views. A huge panoramic sunroof over the cab floods the place with natural light, and there's another opening roof window with blinds and screens for ventilation. Dimmable LED lights everywhere create the perfect atmosphere, and there are USB ports and power sockets in all the right places. The lounge is perfect for relaxing. Imagine parking up at a scenic spot, swiveling those seats, and just soaking in the view. Just behind the lounge on the driver's side is the kitchen, compact but packed with smart features. You've got a 2-burner hob, a sink with a cover for extra counter space, and plenty of storage in soft-close drawers, overhead lockers, and clever shelves. There's even a spot for a spice rack and holders for glasses or bottles. The compressor fridge is a good size, around 84 liters standard with an option to upgrade, and it's at eye level for easy access, complete with a freezer section. Cooking here is a breeze, especially with the door held open for fresh air while you prep a meal overlooking whatever beautiful spot you found. Opposite the kitchen is Adria's famous Duplex bathroom, a real standout feature. It looks simple at first, a cassette toilet, sink with mirror, and storage cabinets. But here's the clever part. The entire sink wall swings over to create a proper, fully lined shower space with no wet floor issues. It's spacious enough to move comfortably, with an opening window for steam escape, towel holders, and shelves for all your toiletries. Hot water comes quick from the Truma combi system, which also heats the whole van efficiently with vents placed perfectly throughout. Now, to the rear, the bedroom that's made for proper rest. The 640 SLB layout gives you fixed twin longitudinal singles, each about 200 centimeters long and 82 centimeters wide, with a short central infill to make a huge double if you want. The mattresses are comfortable with slatted bases for ventilation, and you can lift them easily for access to that enormous garage underneath. Storage is incredible. Wardrobes at the foot of the beds, overhead cabinets, drawers, and even net pockets for small items. Windows on both sides with blinds and screens let in light and air, and reading lights make it cozy for bedtime stories or planning tomorrow's route. That garage I mentioned? It's one of the biggest in its class. Load it from outside or inside, secure gear with tie-downs, and fit everything from e-bikes to kayaks. With the beds partially lifted, it's even more massive. What makes the 2025 Twin Supreme 640 SLB stand out from the crowd? It's the attention to every detail, the optimized space with no wasted corners, the premium build quality that feels solid and reliable, and those innovative touches like the Duplex bathroom and panoramic roofs. Compared to competitors, it offers more of that home-like comfort without growing too big to handle. The refreshed design feels more modern and upscale, and owners love how it handles daily living on the road. If you're coming from a smaller van or even tent camping, this steps it up to real luxury adventure. Tell me in the comments, what's grabbing you most about this van? The twin beds for personal space, the clever shower setup, or that effortless 8-speed drive? Would you spec it with solar for off-grid trips? Share your thoughts. I read them all. In the end, the 2025 Adria Twin Supreme 640 SLB isn't just a camper van. It's your passport to incredible experiences, waking up to new views, feeling at home wherever you park, and making memories that last. That sense of freedom and comfort wrapped in luxury, it's addictive. If this sounds like your kind of lifestyle, you know what to do. Thanks for joining me on Auto Review Pro today. If you enjoyed this exclusive premiere, smash that like button, drop a comment, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Safe travels out there. See you on the next adventure.